बनवारी सुन यार, मेरे को ना एक बंगला चाहिए रेस कोर्स और गोल्फ कोर्स के बीच में। उसमें एक प्राइवेट तालाब होना चाहिए जिसमें वाटरप्रूफ मच्छियां होंगी, एक प्राइवेट स्टेडियम और एक मल्टीप्लेक्स पिक्चर देखने के लिए। अच्छा सुन, मैं तेरे को बाद में फोन कर दूँ यार।
तेरे को क्या 8-10 लॉटरी एक साथ लगाएगा?
अरे नहीं मैडम, ये लॉटरी वॉटरी सब गरीबों का खेल है। मैं तो बिजनेस करता हूँ।
अच्छा, कौन सा बिजनेस?
ये टाटा बिरला अंबानी,
हाँ।
ये अपना देवी प्रसाद,
हाँ।
ये अमीर कैसा बना पता है?
नहीं।
वही तो बता रहा हूँ। पैसा डालो।
हाँ।
1 साल में पैसा 1 करोड़,
हाँ।
2 साल में 2 करोड़, 3 साल में
3 करोड़, 4 करोड़, 5 करोड़।
इसलिए मैंने सोचा सबके लिए 5-5 करोड़ रुपए छोड़ के जाऊं।
सुन। Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here and I welcome you all to a very amazing video wherein I'm going to discuss how to make 1 crore rupees every year. Well, not by this way, not with the help of any hera fairy, but I'm going to tell you how can you make 1 crores every year in a very disciplined way. But before we move on to our topic, I would want to thank Shweta Darvi for her amazing review on our latest course on mastering money management, and I would also want to thank Dr. Akash for his amazing comment on our basics of stock market course. Just in case if you don't know about our courses, that's our website rachanaranade.com, so feel free to check out our website. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show a relevant content piece from our latest course on mastering money management wherein I've covered the same topic. So just for you to get a look and feel of it, have a look at this chunk of the video. Now if you listen to this stat, your mind is going to be blown. You can earn up to 1 crore rupees in 1 year.
What?
Hello. Arey, camera ka. Sit down. Let me complete. What are you saying? Fake. Okay. First, let us understand where did that 1 crore figure come from and how my team doesn't have it. What nonsense is this here? Focus. Okay. So what are we trying to do? Let's understand the whole story first. Okay. What am I doing? I assuming that you are doing an SIP. Okay. Historically, it has been you can easily check that out for yourself as well. Nifty has given a return of approximately 12 to 13%. Okay. If I'm talking about a 10 years CAGR, 10 years average return, compounded annual growth rate. So that's like an averaged out return for 10 years. So what I've done, assume that you invest your money in an index fund. Okay. How much SIP you're going to do? 30,000 rupees. How much is the rate of interest? You can check out in the Excel sheet. It is at 13%. For how many years? If you do that in an absolute disciplined way, how many years? 12 years if you do that. What will be the value of the 30,000 SIP after 12 years? Tell me. That is going to be 1 crore 2,98,947. Okay, till here. Now, if you see here very carefully, it took how much years? 12 years to gather the first 1 crore rupees. Simple till here? Yes. Now you can imagine what would have happened to you for the first 12 years. You're just saving with discipline, investing with discipline. But to get to that 1 crore rupees, it took 12 plus years. It's like one vas of 12 years, correct? Now the magic starts. Now the next 1 crore, from 1 crore to 2 crore, that journey is going to happen in just 4.4 years. Anyone knows why is this happening? Why did this happen? Is it because of the power of compounding? Yes, because earlier you had a base of first year you had a base only of 30,000. At the end of the year you had a base of, now it is 30,000 into 12. He also has got a calculator. He has just kept it as a showpiece. Use it. How much is that? 30,000 into 12 is 3,60,000. So tell me, you are going to get 12% on what in the first year? 12% of only 3,60,000. Correct. Now, whatever you got, that also gets reinvested. Correct? Yes. Now, second year, it will be 3,60,000 plus 3,60,000. 7,20,000 plus whatever you have gotten. That also again gets reinvested. Now, you can imagine for first 12 years, this from 3,60,000 to 7,20,000. At the end of 10th year, 36 lakhs plus whatever return you have gotten. It is easy for me, na? 3,60,000 into 10. Okay. Similarly, by the end of 12th year, you are going to get 1 crore. Now understand. In the 13th year, what is your base? Your base itself is 1 crore.
1 crore.
Plus, are you adding 30,000 every month?
Yes.
Now, bigger the base, will it be easier for you to gain more? Absolutely yes. That is called as the power of compounding. Basically, whatever returns you are getting, are you going to withdraw?
No.
Or are you going to reinvest that?
Reinvest.
You are going to reinvest that. Okay. Now what happens, understand, next 1 crore, from 1 crore to 2 crore, you can jump in next almost 4.5 years. Now tell me, 12 years plus 4.5, it is roughly 16.5 years.
Yes.
Tell me after 16.5 years, what is your base now?
2 crores.
Base is 2 crores. Still you are investing 30,000 rupees per month. Now with a bigger base and with a logic of reinvesting your returns, the next 1 crore journey from 2 crore to 3 crore is going to happen in 2.8 years. Correct? I hope you're understanding. From 12 years, cut directly to 4.5 years, directly to less than 3 years. Tell me from 3 year to 4 year, 3 crore to 4 crore, your journey is going to happen barely in
2 years.
2 years. At now again you are at a base of, everyone, you are at a base
4
of
crores.
4 crores. Still you are going to invest
Yes.
30,000
Yes.
per month.
Month.
Correct? Now 4 crore to 5 crore journey is going to happen in 1.6 years. Correct? And the next 1 crore journey from 5 crore to 6 crore is going to happen at 1.37 crores. And finally, if I skip 1 year, chalo theek hai, from 6 crore to 7 crore, 1.15, and finally, from 7 crore to 8 crore. How much time did it take? It
1
just
year.
took exactly 1 year. If you have a look at this, from 25.4 years to, if you see at the right, to 26.4 years. 1 crore happened in just 1 year. Now, are you going to say fraud and fake and what nonsense to me? No. Say sorry.
Sorry, Shaktiman.
Sorry, Shaktiman, kya baat hai? Okay. So now I hope you have understood how the magic of compounding works and how can you actually grow your money by 1 crore rupees in 1 year with an SIP of?
30,000.
My God, that is such a clickbaity thumbnail, na? Get 1 crore in 1 year with only 30,000 SIP. But the only trick point here is that from which year to which year this is? From the 25th year to the 26th year. What about first 12 years? First 12 years was just an utter disappointment is what I can say. Now, if you have a look at this specific chart, you can see that is what actually happens. You can see that what you think should happen is that slanting line. Correct? We call this as a plateau of latent potential. What people think, the moment I'm going to start 30,000, my returns should go zap, they should just go up. And I should be very rich in no time. What happens actually? Can you see that value of disappointment? Yes, the part which is below the line, that is entirely called as the value of disappointment. Which are these years? In our Excel sheet, if you were to compare, which are these years, the value of disappointment? The first 12 years, correct? But then you can see when the arrow is starting to, take off, that could be the next, within the next 4 years, uske baad ke 3 years, uske baad ke 2 years, and last you can see that there is a sharp rise in the arrow. That is that last 1 year, 25 to 26 wala. Okay, so that is what typically happens in the compounding thing. First few years you have to keep yourself focused, disciplined. If you do that, you will be able to see the magic happening at later stages. Well, I hope with the help of this amazing Excel sheet that you saw just now, you are totally convinced that you need not do any hera fairy to earn 1 crore every year, but with the help of proper discipline and compounding, you can actually achieve this goal. Well, in our course on mastering money management, I've not only talked about this concept, I've also talked about how to do tax planning with the help of HUF, step up calculator, will planning, managing loans, designing your portfolio, and many more. So don't forget to check out our course on mastering money management. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.